To remove the wireless LAN antennas, first remove the access panel and the main bezel. Detach the wireless antennas from the wireless LAN board. Untape the antennas from the bottom of the power supply if an internal power supply is present in the unit. Untape the antennas from the side wall of the PC if a micro ATX motherboard is present in the unit. Remove the antennas from the small cable guide on the side wall of the unit. Remove the 3 pieces of adhesive tape securing the antennas to the front of the PC. Pull the antenna cables out through the access hole at the front of the unit. Remove the antenna connectors from their cable guides at the front of the unit. Detach the Torx head screw for each antenna and remove the antennas from the unit. Each wireless antenna has a small hole on the antenna that fits over a locator peg on the front of the unit. To replace the antennas, place each antenna over its locator peg on the front of the unit and secure with a Torx head screw. Replace the antennas into their cable guides at the front of the unit. Feed the antenna cables in through the access hole into the unit. Replace the 3 pieces of adhesive tape that secure the antennas to the front of the unit. Place the antenna cables into the small cable guide on the side wall of the PC. If the unit has a micro ATX motherboard, secure the antennas to the bulge on the side wall of the PC with tape. Retape the antennas to the bottom of the power supply with adhesive tape if an internal power supply is present in the unit. Reconnect the antennas to the wireless LAN board.